Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on powers of indices. We have seen how letters can be raised to a power as follows. M to the power of 3 equals m times m times m. As well, we can have the following. M to the power of 3 all squared. This can be negotiated as follows. M to the power of 3 all squared equals m to the power of 3 times m to the power of 3, which is m to the power of 6 where we add the indices. We've seen that before. So because the bases are the same, we add the indices. 3 plus 3 is 6. There is a quick way to solve the above question. So if we have m to the power of 3 all squared, for the above we are allowed to multiply the two powers together. So if we have 2 3s is 6, the answer will be m to the power of 6. You just use the same base. Let's have a look at some examples. K to the power of 4 raised to the power of 5. 5 4s are 20, so it's k to the 20th. That term there raised to the power of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, and that's the answer. Of course, we use the same pronumerals. This term here, all squared, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. So there's the answer. We just use the same pronumerals. We can also have a leading term expressed in the form of a number or a numeral. There it is there. So if that's 3 to the power of 1, that gives us 3 squared because 2 1s are 2. So that's 3 squared times y to the power of 8 because 2 4s are 8. Now 3 squared is 9, so that's 9y to the power of 8. The next one, we have 2 to the power of 5, which is there. 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So there's our answer. Over here we have that term there, raised to the power of 3, so that gives us 4 cubed. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12. 4 to the power of 3 is 64, so there's our answer. And finally, that term there, raised to the power of 4, that gives us 3 to the power of 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, and 4 3s are 12. 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So there's our answer. So this video has shown us how to negotiate questions where we have powers raised to another power. And we've seen the examples on how to do each and every one of those examples.